completeness criteria has been created in Measure to assist with the standardization of test technique as well as ensuring that a gold standard of care is provided to all patients. First, open Measure, then Tools followed by Test Definitions. Select the assessment you'd like to edit, such as air conduction or bone conduction testing, then select Edit. The first completeness criteria available is minimum point repetitions for threshold. This requires that before a threshold is stored, the stimulus must be presented a set number of times. dB reset will reduce the stimulus presentation level by the determined number after pressing Store. In the Rules tab, mandatory frequencies can be selected to alert clinicians when a frequency has not been tested. If enabled, the consistency check will flag results if they do not match the internationally accepted standard displayed here. An alert can also be enabled to appear when a threshold is stored despite no stimuli presentation. Finally, an interactive frequency check can be enabled. This option sets an alert when interactive frequencies require threshold testing. The threshold value at which this alert appears can be set to clinic preferences. All the aforementioned settings are available for bone conduction testing as well. Additionally, an alert can be enabled to appear when bone conduction testing is required in both ears. This will activate with an air bone gap of 10 dB or greater, or when the unmasked bone conduction threshold is 15 dB or greater in the non-test ear.